was small and Christmas trees were tall, we used to laugh while others used to play. Don't ask me why, the time has passed us by. Someone else moved in from far away. Now we are tall and Christmas trees are small, and you don't ask the time of day. Hey, but you and I, our love will never die. Guess we'll cry the 1st of May.